Hey, friends! Welcome back to My Bilingual Life. I'm Laura.
And I'm Carl. We're so glad you're here with us today. You know, one of the questions we get all the time is, how can I sound more natural in everyday English?
Exactly. We spend so much time studying grammar and vocabulary, but sometimes we forget about those short, simple conversations we have every single day.
Right, those little interactions that make a huge difference. Saying hello, asking for help, ordering food, or just chatting about the weather.
So today's episode is all about that. The daily conversations you must know. Think of this as your survival English toolkit.
By the end of this episode, you'll know how to greet people, be polite, make small talk, ask basic questions, go shopping, get directions, order food, talk about what you like and don't like, express how you feel, and say goodbye.
That's a lot packed into one episode, but don't worry, we'll make it feel easy and natural. Ready to dive in?
Let's go.
So let's start at the very beginning. Greetings. Every good conversation starts with a friendly hello.
Exactly. The most common ones are hi or hello. Super simple, but the tone matters. Smile when you say it.
And depending on the time of day, you can say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.
Important note, good night isn't a greeting. It's something you say when you're leaving, usually before bed.
Right. I can't tell you how many students say good night when they walk into class in the morning. It's cute, but it's wrong.
So let's imagine this. You walk into a coffee shop. The barista smiles and says, "Good morning." You reply, "Good morning. How are you?"
And the barista says, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
See? Easy, natural rhythm.
Then, if you're meeting someone for the first time, add an introduction.
Hi, I'm Carl.
Nice to meet you, Carl. I'm Laura.
Nice to meet you too.
That's it. You've just handled the beginning of almost any friendly interaction.
Once you know how to greet people, the next step is politeness.
Yes, words like please, thank you, you're welcome, excuse me, and sorry are small but powerful.
Absolutely. For example, if you want something, say, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Or when someone hands it to you, thank you.
And the other person replies, "You're welcome."
Excuse me works for lots of situations too. You can use it to get attention, like, excuse me, where's the bathroom? Or when you accidentally bump someone, excuse me, sorry.
You'll notice that native speakers use those words constantly. They show kindness and respect, and people will respond to you better when you use them.
Politeness makes conversations smoother, and honestly, it makes your English sound instantly more natural.
Okay, Laura, let's move to something that makes a lot of learners nervous. Small talk.
Oh, yes. Some people think small talk is pointless, but it's actually how friendships start.
Exactly. It's not about deep ideas, it's just an easy way to connect. You can talk about the weather, the weekend, or something happening around you.
For example, nice weather today, isn't it? Or it's a bit cold this morning.
Or, how was your weekend? That's one I use all the time at work on Monday mornings.
Then you can answer, it was great, thanks, I relaxed. Or pretty busy but fun. And always remember to ask back, how about you?
That simple question keeps the conversation going.
You can also make little comments about the moment. Like if you're in line somewhere, say, this line is long, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a light way to break the ice without being too personal.
And if someone responds positively, that's your chance to keep chatting.
Once the conversation gets going, people often ask a few basic questions. Not too private, just to get to know you.
The most common one is, where are you from?
And you can answer simply, "I'm from Brazil," or "I'm from Chicago."
Then return the question, and you?
You might also hear, "Do you speak English?" That's a friendly way to check someone's comfort level.
If you're still learning, say a little, or yes, a little bit. It shows you're open to trying.
And one more common one. What do you do? That means your job or occupation.
You could say, I'm a student, or I work in an office. Keep it short and clear.
Perfect. Those small details make you sound confident and sociable.
Speaking of confidence, one place where people often get shy is in stores. Let's talk about shopping conversations.
Good idea. When you walk into a shop, the clerk might say, "Can I help you?"
If you just want to look around, you can answer, no, thank you, I'm just looking.
Or if you need something, say, "Yes, please, I'm looking for a jacket." Or, "Do you have apples?"
Once you find what you want, you might ask, how much is this?
And when you're ready to buy, say, "I'll take it, please." Or, "Can I pay by card?"
Don't forget the politeness words again. Thank you and you're welcome. They always fit.
Here's a quick example. "Can I help you?"
Yes, please. How much is this?
"It's $12.
I'll take it, please. Thank you.
"You're welcome. Have a good day."
Simple, short, and friendly.
Now, imagine you're traveling and you need help finding something. Knowing how to ask for directions is really helpful.
Always start with, excuse me. That makes the question polite. Then ask, where is the...
Like, "Excuse me, where is the train station?"
And someone might say, it's straight ahead, or turn left at the corner.
If you're not sure how far it is, you can ask, "Is it far?"
And if you really can't find your way, just say, I'm lost. Most people will smile and help you.
Exactly. People are usually happy to help polite travelers.
All right. Now, one of my favorite parts of any trip, ordering food.
Same here. Whether it's a cafe or a restaurant, the structure is pretty similar.
The waiter will usually ask, what would you like? Or are you ready to order?
Then you can say, "I'll have a coffee, please." Or, "I'd like a sandwich."
If you're not ready, say, not yet, thank you.
And when you finish eating, you can ask, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Here's a quick scene. Are you ready to order?
"Yes, I'll have a tea and a sandwich, please."
Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Great.
"The bill, please."
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Easy and polite. That's the secret.
So after you've eaten, maybe you're chatting with a new friend and want to share opinions. Talking about what you like or don't like is great small talk practice.
Right. Start with I like or I don't like. For example, I like coffee. I like music. Or I don't like cold weather.
You can also ask, "Do you like pizza?" And the answer might be, "Yes, I do." Or, "No, I don't."
You can even add reasons. I like morning walks because they're peaceful.
Or, "I don't like spicy food because it's too hot for me."
That's a fun way to keep a conversation going. You start to find things in common.
Let's talk about something practical, expressing how you feel or what you need.
If you need food, say, I'm hungry. If you need water, I'm thirsty.
And after a long day, "I'm tired," or "I'm sleepy."
If you're not feeling well, say, I'm sick or my head hurts.
You can also describe temperature. "I'm hot," or "I'm cold."
These short sentences are powerful. They help people understand you quickly, especially when traveling.
And finally, every conversation needs a good ending.
The classic one is goodbye, but we also say, see you later, take care, or have a good day.
If it's the end of the week, have a good weekend.
And at night, good night. Simple, warm, and polite.
Okay, time for a quick check. Let's see how much you remember.
You bump into someone in a hallway.
You'd say, sorry, or I'm sorry.
You want to check a price.
Ask, how much is this?
You need directions to the bathroom.
Say, excuse me, where is the bathroom?
You're leaving a shop politely.
Say, thank you, or have a good day.
You're sharing something you like.
You might say, I like coffee, or I like music.
You're saying goodbye to a friend.
Say, see you later, or take care.
Nice. Those simple phrases can carry you through dozens of daily situations.
You know, Laura, I think it helps when learners hear these phrases in real context.
Totally. Let's run through a few everyday scenes to tie everything together.
Sounds great.
Scene 1. The bus stop. Good afternoon. Is this bus going downtown?
Yes, it is. How are you today?
I'm great, thanks. And you?
Doing well, thank you. Scene 2. At the market. Can I help you?
Yes. Do you have apples?
Yes, over here.
How much are they?
$2 a pound.
I'll take 2 pounds, please.
Thank you. Anything else?
That's all, thanks.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Scene 3. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, where is the pharmacy?
Go straight, then turn right. It's next to the bank.
Thank you. Is it far?
Not far. About 5 minutes. Scene 4. At a cafe.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'll have a latte and a croissant, please.
Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. Scene 5. Friendly chat at work. Busy day?
Pretty busy, but going well. How about you?
Not too bad. The morning was quiet.
Nice. Have a good one. Scene 6. At the gym. I'm thirsty. Do you have water?
Yes, here you go.
Thanks. You're a lifesaver. Scene 7. Evening at home.
I'm sleepy. I'm going to bed.
Good night. Sleep well.
Scene 8. Saying goodbye after class. Bye for now.
Catch you later.
See you soon.
Take care. Wow, that was a lot of useful language today.
It really was. And the best part is that every single phrase we practiced today can be used immediately at work, while traveling, or just chatting with friends.
That's the key. Practice them out loud. Repetition makes them part of your reflexes.
And remember, communication matters more than perfection. Even if your accent isn't perfect, being polite and confident goes a long way.
So here's your challenge for today. Pick 3 of these situations and try them out in real life. Greet someone, ask a small question, or order something in English.
You'll be surprised at how quickly you improve when you use English for real, everyday things.
Thanks so much for listening today.
I'm Laura.
And I'm Carl.